Wagwan YouTube, Alxdubz back with another video. Today we about to react to some nature. We about to act to some scary nature shit right now. By Fail Army. Damn nature, you crazy. Respectfully, nature be wild, bro. There's so much animals and there's so much insects and mosquitoes and spiders. There's so much things that can kill you when you go out into nature. Like, I'm a city boy. Like, I can't be in nature for so long. I can deal with it, but with the right tools. You feel me? I can't be there for too long, respectfully. So let's get into this video. Before we do, appreciate everyone for subscribing. I'm almost up to 3,000 subscribers. We're going. We're not stopping, respectfully. Shout out to the big man above. He's watching over us. So we got to do good in this world. You feel me? Let's start this video. Damn, off rip? Nah, that's crazy. Respectfully, that might be his fault. Like, the bear's not just gonna have a reason to come up in your crib like that. Like, what the fuck? Bro, that's crazy. What would you do in that situation? Like, no gun, no nothing, and you see just a bear run through your door. Oh my god.
Sí. No.
Oh my god. Oh my god. He's breaking through the door. Oh, we broke through the window. Lord have mercy. Boy, what that little stick about to do with that? Yeah. What You lucky that alligator was not that hungry, because he would have jumped onto your boat, ate your face, ate your leg. It would have been over.
I'm still looking for a perfect stick. What's this? Oh my god.
Get the snake, get it.
Yeah. Ooh. That's a snapping turtle right there. You think monkeys care? Stupid. That's what you get. Oh, Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. You see? No city boy's gonna stay on nature like, nah, what the boy was over here doing some construction, and out of nowhere, yo, look at this. Look at that, yo. Oh. Yo, survival of the fittest when it comes to nature, yo. Yeah, yo, even like probably all those animals were probably related to some way, but they don't care when it comes to food. That little nigga can die. Like, woo-hoo! Run, hit the.
High five.
Bro, that man's jumped from there and landed at that truck right there. Yo, no Olympian can do that. That's crazy. He jumped over a whole car. He jumped over two, basically. That's crazy. Ooh. That little, I'm dead. Why are you giving a high five to a raccoon, dummy? That's what you get. Ooh, that's a moose. Ooh, mooses are crazy, bro. That hit the balls. I felt that one.
Head in. Look at my dog.
Why this boy singing to this nigga? I'ma punch your fucking head in. Bow! Like, what? It ain't no human, bro. Oh, look, you almost lost your camera. You lucky that motherfucker waterproof. He like, nigga, what the fuck just happened?
How are you, dude? Where were you to save him? And you? Oh,
God.
Why get a snake? Ooh, 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 ooh. When it comes to animals, even big ones, like, they're very territorial. So you can't be like all up in their fucking space and shit. They don't like that. They do not like that. This chicken got 2 guns. I'm dead.
Oh, the guy is freaking out.
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is Bear Central. Yo, imagine falling into that. Yo, you know what's crazy? I'm gonna have to turn full screen for this one. Please, anybody that goes to a zoo and y'all see a group of just animals, dangerous ones, please do not go in the cage, even drunk. Like, please stay away. They just want their peace and quiet. Like, if you go over there, like, you deserve it, respectfully. You deserve to get mauled. I can't blame me. Your ass went over there.
Kush, hey. Hey. No barking. No barking. Hey.
What is that, a hawk?
Sit. Cushy. Jesus. Cushy.
Yo, that hawk is...
Quiet.
Yo, that hawk was sneaky than a motherfucker. Yo. Oh. Nah, this nigga's sleeping in a... Oh. This nigga is sleeping in the fucking chair, bro. What? Oh. The moose is trampled her. Ooh. Yo, you see these? Yo, they're like 7 foot and crazy, bro. They're very territorial. What the fuck?
Oh,
it went through the window? Yo! Yogi the bear head ass. That was a little croc. Yo. Y'all people are crazy, bro. Don't put your head over there. Why are you provoking it? If that motherfucker comes out and hops on you, you're gonna be tight, my nigga. Look, oh, nah. See, territorial. The geese is any animal, bro. They come right at you for no reason. But you in their territory, so it's a reason. Lord have mercy. He just chilling. This is his hood, bro. He just chilling. You can't touch him. Oh. Nah, these monkeys be crazy. Okay. You did it good. You did good, Karen. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. You had one job.
Yeah, run. Whoa, he did come at you. God. Whoa.
Hey, she was quick though. Oh, that's a skunk? Oh, I've never seen a skunk in person. Did she spray him? Did she get sprayed? Oh, nah. Oh, you hear them little shits they doing with their beaks, bro? They trying to eat that cat right there. Yo, they trying to eat that cat, bro. And that's a falcon, right? Yo, correct me in the chat. Is that a falcon or a hawk? Whatever it is, bro. Bro, there's one time, little story time. I was taking the MTA bus, right? Going home. And I just see feathers it was a cold day, right? It's not snowing though, cold. And I just see feathers just flying down from the sky. Like, I'm looking up, I'm like, yo, where are all these feathers coming from? I look up at the post, the light post, and there was a fucking falcon devouring a pigeon. Lord, yo, that was the craziest thing I seen. I'm like, yo, freely devouring that motherfucker freely. That's a free meal. That nigga was eating good. Like, yo, pigeon was busting to that nigga. Why are you so calmly about that? That nigga would have got 2 to the head.
Hey, hey.
That nigga really stole your marshmallows, bro. Right. Bomba clot. Whoever was recording is pussy. That nigga.
Hello.
Are those spiders?
One of those kill it with fire moments. We'll just close him back up.
That was a huge ass spider. Yo, Mr. Kipling, chill. Bomba clot. Yo, deer's got hops, man. Yo. He's like, nigga, what? You provoked it. And he pulled up in your crib? Oh, I'm about to say. Pack the bags, honey. We out. That's when I'm going, bro. Hell to the fuck no. That's his house now. That's his house now. Because there's no fucking way. You just gonna climb up all the way up there for no reason, my nigga. You want something inside the crib, you can have it. You can have it. Have whatever you want. Because if that's the baby right there, the mother is not too far. Have what you want. You pay rent now. You do your thing, man. I really want to see it like jump though. That's like interesting to me. What is that, otter? Damn! Super smack them motherfuckers.
He just came in. Oh my! He's washing his hands with the soap. He's washing his hands.
Oh, he has a baby on him too.
He's using the soap.
Yo, respectfully, if you don't mess with them, they won't fuck with you. But you never know with these monkeys, man. Not being racist. Like,
Oh, it's under your collar. No. Like, right there, right there.
Jesus Christ.
It's on your head.
Respectfully, you can't. When it comes to spiders, you gotta be calm, bro.
Come this lane. Go somewhere else. Please. Okay? Remember that? Okay. Goodbye. Oh, chết mẹ ơi, vô lại ơi.
What are we seeing? That nigga's 8 feet tall. He got a beer in his hand. They lit. And the monkey grabbed the beer. You don't want a drunk monkey. You don't want a drunk monkey, bro. That's gonna be bad days. But is that a lemur? That's an anteater. I think that's an anteater. Those are not harmless though. They just want food. Oh nah, that's a huge spider coming for that.
So cute.
You don't see the spider behind under it?
Don't drop it, buddy.
You don't see the spider under it? Yo.
He's coming for this fish, dude. I'm gonna catch a killer whale right now.
Ooh, you do not want to catch a killer whale. Let go of the shit. If that nigga flips your boat, it's over.
No.
Yo. That killer whale purposely went to the side so he didn't tip over the boat. That killer whale is a that killer whale was playing with y'all lives right there, respectfully. Because if you was a seal, it would have been over. Y'all would have been dead. Oh Lord, baby bear. Yo, Ross? And that's a bull. And that's a bull. Oh Lord. Oh Ross. Yo. Bro, my heart jumped a bit. My heart jumped. Yo, that's crazy. Uh-oh. Weave, nigga? Fuck you talking? You lucky they don't leave. Oh, he about to get slapped. Yep. About to get caught. Oh no.
Oh my god, that's so traumatic.
I mean, he's going through the whole entire thing. He's going through.
Damn. Yo, that's crazy. Damn. You lucky he ain't poisonous.
Bro, let me go.
Are those cockroaches?
Oh my.
Yo! That's nasty, my nigga. Yo, that's nasty. Oh my god. All over the... Yo, if I walk into a bathroom, I see that? My nigga, yo. Throwing that motherfucker. Yo, it's clipped. It's clipped. I'm going to jail for arson. Like, yo, nah, that's wicked, bro. That's wicked. Wicked things. Ross! Bro, why you throwing at your mans like that?
Oh my gosh.
Bomba clot!
Okay, I guess we don't get too close.
Yo! I'm telling you, they're territorial, bro. Don't be...
Look at that! Oh my gosh! He's gonna scratch my foot! He's gonna scratch my foot! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yo, respectfully, that lady should thank that buffalo. She should thank that buffalo because she protected that. Like, or did she hit did the buffalo hit the car or protected?
Oh my gosh! He's gonna scratch my foot! He's gonna scratch my foot!
Yup, you see? W Buffalo. The buffalo's like, nah, nigga, back up. You can't be scratching these people's car. Play too much bomba clot. You lucky that string wasn't attached to your foot. It would have looked like Looney Tunes in this motherfucker. Lord have mercy. Ross. Why are you saying it's cute? Come here.
Eating that little Jesus.
Bomba. What is that?
Holy moly. Right in the corner of the jaw.
Oh no, they're shut in there? No. Oh, honeys. That's not a toy.
No, how did the man get in the car?
Oh, don't, he'll take it. Get it. Get the paddle.
Yo, raccoons are teeth them, eh? Little jailbird. Ooh, that's a huge ass otter. Oh my god. Yo, that otter was huge. Oh, that was a nah, that was that an otter or a beaver, chat? Was that an otter or a beaver? Hold up. I don't see the tail. I don't see the tail. I'm calling that an otter. Correct me in the chat. Ross Clods. Bro, any animal's territorial, and you go back to cross when you see that big motherfucker there. Okay, at least you scared them off. At least you know, at least someone knows what they do. Bomba clot, Malay! Ha! You pull it up! Bro. Bro, any animal's territorial, bro.
Be
My
eating.
biggest
Lord.
catfish.
What?
It's gotta be.
We'll
Getting
be,
him off the bottom is a little bit tough.
yeah. We'll be eating good tonight.
Let's see, yep.
Bomb?
Catfish.
Not a catfish.
Holy. Oh my god.
That's not the craziest thing I seen in this video. Bro, yo, what if that alligator was really hungry? You came up, he was like, you lost your arm right there, buddy. You gotta.
Oh my god.
I'ma stay my ass in the city. That's funny. Drooling all up on you. You see that face right there? You see that face right there, chat? That's the devil looking into you right there. That's like, yo, if you come any closer, I'm munching. I'm taking a big chunk of whatever you have. Leg, arm, back, ribs, I don't care. I'm eating. If you see a face like that, you run the other way, all right? Because, no. That's murder right there. You lucky he sleep. He looked like he sleep. I don't even know.
This is James from the Tulsa Swarm Hotline at Shadow Mountain Honey Company. We're at Walgreens at 51st and Lewis. And we got a bee swarm on a car. Check that out.
That's crazy. He about to spit. He about to spit. Yup. Knew it. Knew it.
On. Hey, it on. Oh, he's gonna go.
Stay on it, Grandpa.
Oh, he's going hard. Oh,
Don't be. You're scared of a rooster, cuz.
That's not funny though.
Bro, any of these animals are territorial. Y'all need to relax. Jesus Christ. Jesus. Uh-oh.
Ya salió.
Uh-oh.
Cuidado.
Jesus. Yo. Nah, that's crazy. The realization in the bull's head is crazy, bro. He was like, yo, I can't hit these people. Wait, hold on. Let me back up a little bit. Boom. Nah, that's crazy.
Cheese, dang it.
You better not take my backpack. You gonna eat the bowl?
Oh my god. If that spider jumps, I'm ending the video. Yo, that's crazy. Bruh. I said if that spider jumps, I'm ending the video. The spider get munched up. It got took it up by the whole bird. I didn't expect that. What is that? What is that? An octopus? Oh nah. Oh my gosh. I don't know if that bird dead. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? Are those ants? Yo, you see how ants are, bro? This is how you work in unison right here. Look at this. Like, what? Look at this, bro. That's fucking amazing, bro. I can't, like, if people in this world act like ants, we'll be so much better off. Like, nah, I'm lying. Never touch a tortoise.
Ow, that's my finger. Hey, you can't steal the plate, dude.
that man was pissed. Like, can't see the fucking plate, dude.
He's too tired. This is your fault. I blame Tyler.
That is crazy. Crazy thing is, once that spider laid all them eggs, that spider is dead. That's why it's not moving. Sheesh.
Damn snake. Right on top. That's not a python.
Where the snake at? Shit.
Where's his head at?
Shit.
No, I can't see his head.
Damn. Sorry for my cursing. I'm sorry, but god damn. Crab got a knife.
Most of the time they get along if they've grown up together.
He used to have his fingernails
Usually.
cut.
But they have to be the same
These
size.
two will never mate.
No.
Never. Never.
Oh,
Well, there he goes. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes.
what does that mean?
That means I'm dominant. I'm better. I'm better than you, and I'm dominant, and you better not come near me.
That's a challenge.
Territorial.
Oh my gosh, don't be scaring me.
Bomba clot! Yo. Respectfully. Yo, Tom and Jerry is like the realest thing, for real, because I seen Jerry jump off some crazy heights and survive. Like, do rats have 9 lives too? We need to start looking in more about rats, because these motherfuckers, he's crazy. They're crazy. But that's the end of the video. Subscribe, like, comment. Hopefully you come back. You feel me? Stay tuned. It's a wicked place out here, so praise God and listen to your parents.